Reduce yard and household waste at your local landfills by composting at home for organic gardening or reducing waste to easily disposed of ashes. A superior, heavy-duty, galvanized steel, outdoor compost container to have on hand. For over 100 years, Barron's Manufacturing offers countless benefits for homes, gardens, or farms. Built for now. Made to last. Designed with the highest quality materials, the multi-use, galvanized steel 20-gallon metal waste can is perfect for destroying financial documents, paper, and yard waste such as leaves and cut grass. Just as effective as outdoor composting can. Won't rust, freeze or crack like plastic compost containers. If using as an incinerator, place it on a fire-resistant surface such as concrete, slate, or brick patio. Vented holes along the perimeter and bottom can allow for airflow and drainage. A tight-fitting lid contains ash from escaping and prevents access to rodents, birds, and other animals. 4 legs keep the can off the ground and provides increased stability. Deep swedging adds strength and rigidity while integrated solid steel handles make for easy transport. This product is not intended to encourage new or existing burning habits but to offer a controlled incinerator based on your local laws, compliances, and ordinances. Frequent use as a burner will remove the protective galvanized layer and result in some corrosion. 100% recyclable, weather and chemical resistant. The Barron's 20-gallon galvanized steel trash can with lid is made from 100% sustainable materials. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Built with the highest quality materials, the 20-gallon galvanized outdoor refuse composting steel can is made to last, and more durable than plastic. Number 2. Weather resistant. Galvanized steel won't rust, freeze or crack like plastic containers. Number 3. Barron's RB20 outdoor composter refuses can is ideal for trash, yard waste disposal, and composting for organic gardening. Number 4. Features 4 legs to keep the can off ground for better airflow, solid steel handles for easy portability, and a tight-fitting lid to prevent access to animals and contain ash. Number 5. 100% recyclable and manufactured with 100% sustainable materials. Number 6. The outdoor compost refuse container with a lid is made with the highest quality steel materials which when recycled can be converted into new steel products and infinitely recycled with no loss of their inherent properties. Number 7. The 20-gallon outdoor composting can be used for trash, yard waste, and composting with solid steel handles for easy portability. Rodent, weather, rust, and chemical resistant. Composting is one of the easiest ways to reduce landfill waste and create nutrient-rich soil. Number 8. Our 20-gallon can with a lid is made more durable than plastic. Designed to last for years, it features 4 legs to keep the can off ground for better airflow, and a tight-fitting lid to prevent rodent access and ash from escaping. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.